everyone, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zithi it's about chicken guys. Usibonelo Mhlongo guys. We know chicken from reality show yakhe na family yakhe nje ikwanjomane. So guys, chicken has been posting his boyfriend and guys they seemed very happy. Oh, let me just say they were happy while it lasted. Chicken has posted on Facebook yakhe ukuthi yena no boyfriend yakhe they are no longer together. So ucela nje ukuthi sihloniphe decision yabo, and he also posted that uyabonga nje to the ex-boyfriend. Akashonga ukuthi kwenzakalani, but yesterday on TikTok I saw a video le ngizoyiposta guys.
Yo, Chico! Ngidlaliwe ngawe baby boy. Oh, hayi pepisa wena.
So bamzitho none as nizibonela chicken was saying uyagoa, that means uyagobisha, and we know that now if umuntu azothi niyagoa or niyagobisha, it's normally nje or mostly it's about a relationship. So uzuyasho futhi ukuthi ngidlaliwe. So a lot of people guys they were assuming that since udlaliwe that means the person beka wrong kule relationship, or there is umuntu enza ukuthi relationship yabo iphele, it's boyfriend not Chico. Guys, we know we'll get the tea from reality show yabo that I don't know izobuya nini, and we are all looking forward to it. We know most reality show yakanjoman always has the tea, but if guys they were not happy both of them, why not why should they be together if they're not happy? And what I love about the breakup, it was not messy, and you can see Gucci some appreciate to boyfriend, like he didn't even delete my pictures of boyfriend on Facebook page again. Usesede baby. So I guess into yabo ivele yaba nje nobudala phakathi baba, they are both matured and they've made a decision. You know what, this thing, since it's not working for both of us, that is all for today. But please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.